Madam Chair,
Sen. Joel.
may I just place into the record that I was voted and given mandate by the people to do my job as representatives of the people. I am a senator, a sitting senator, and I can say whatever I wanted to say, and we are bound by the rules, Madam Chair. I only made mention about it because we wanted to ferret out the truth. Who is afraid of the truth, Madam Chair? I appreciate what Senator Bato made mention, but let me also state for the record, Madam Chair, that there's no case about her escape right now, Madam Chair. So questions about her escape should not be part of self-incrimination privilege, Madam Chair. Now, when it comes to death threats, Madam Chair, no one amongst us understand. Really, Madam Chair, bakit ka alis ng bansa? Tapos pag nakita mo ang PNP tsaka SILG, okay ka. Safe ka. Pero hindi mo masabi? Ayaw mong tulungan ka namin? Ayaw mong tulungan ka ng Senado? Eh, klaro po sa akin yun, Madam Chair. Hindi talaga death threat. So, Madam Chair, as much as I wanted to help the client of the two lawyers advising her, Madam Chair, ang pinaka-role natin dito is to ferret out the truth. We wanted to know the truth. Inakasan na po tayo nitong pugante na ito. Tapos, bebabyhin pa ba rin natin siya, Madam Chair? I don't agree with it, Madam Chair. Sorry, thank you.
Madam Chairman,
Salamat, Sen. Joel. Sen. Sherwin.
just quick interjection, Madam Chairman. May I know from Ms. Go, nag-file ba siya ng police report dito sa kanyang death threat?
Miss Alice.
Sen, hindi po.
Nasabi niyo ba kay SILG, kay Chief PNP, dahil kaharap niyo na sila eh? No? Nasabi niyo ba sa kanila yung detalye ng inyong death threat?
Hindi po lahat po.
Kasi nung ako nagkaroon ng death threat, ang una kong ginawa, mag-file ng police report para on record to. At inimbestigahan ng police para malaman kung totoo o hindi. Dahil hindi ko rin alam kung totoo o hindi. As precautionary measure, nag-file ako ng police report. Pero sa inyo, sinasabi niyo may death threat kayo, pero wala naman kayong ginawa. Sinasabi niyo lang may death threat kayo. Paano ngayon maimbestigahan ng kapulisan, ng NBI, kung legitimate yung death threat niyo? O gawa-gawa niyo lang. Kasi sa mata namin ngayon, gawa-gawa niyo lang to para hindi kayo sumagot.
Sen, hindi po ako gumagawa po ng kwento. Totoo po.
Hindi po yan ang tanong ni Sen. Sherwin. Tinatanong niya, kung nakatanggap talaga kayo ng death threat noon, bakit hindi nyo ipinormal sa isang police report?
Natatakot po kasi ako sa safety ko po, Sen. Kaya, opo.
Kami rin natatakot rin kami sa safety namin, but we have to trust our enforcers at one point. Dahil dapat maimbestigahan yan. Pero parang ginagamit mo lang tong death threat para hindi ka sumagot eh.
Madam Chair.
Ikot po kami dito eh.
Just one question. With the
Sen.
permission.
Sen. Bong Revilla for one related question.
Miss Alice, sino yung nagde-death threat sa'yo? Pilipino ba siya o Chinese?
Miss Alice.
Sen, kung okay lang po talaga na hindi ko po siya sagutin sa public.
Sinabi niyo na kanina local. Sinabi niyo na kanina local. So,
Opo, local.
sagutin ang tanong ni Sen. Bong Revilla. Sinong local yan?
Pilipino ba siya o Chinese yung nagde-death threat sa'yo?
Meron foreign, meron local Filipino po.
So both. Filipino, malaking grupo talaga.
Salamat.